This Remax Select Property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. This is a charming 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, includes a spacious living room and dining room, perfect for entertaining. A functional kitchen comes equipped with a refrigerator, and the home also features a convenient mud room/laundry area with a washer/dryer included. Enjoy a covered front porch, ideal for outdoor relaxation, and an attic with pull-down stairs, offering additional storage space. The home comes with essential appliances, making it ready for immediate occupancy. This listing is great for anyone looking for a cozy, functional space with some extra storage and a welcoming front porch. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704-487-7653.